beautiful that is. Getting that hay cut tonight. It's kind of hard to film driving this thing, so sorry guys. Dad's over there cutting there. I'm in the 14-foot finishing up this, and hopefully tomorrow night or Thursday I'm gonna make my way over and cut that grass. It's gonna be great. Cozy little cabin fan ain't working today, so no good. Woo! Okay, well, I'm gonna keep going, but look at that. These lights are not bright enough. There, that's more light in here. So, I'm trying to see some of this stuff I was cutting. I am going way faster than I was before. Just wanted to see what it could do. Because it seemed like the moisture, holy, that's bright. With the moisture on the grass, like this stuff is dewy and it's wet. I don't know if you can see it. It's very wet. For whatever reason, it seems to flow better with these old hay binds. Like right here, I'm going like, I'm not gonna say road speed. Dude, I was not going slow. And like, it is a bumpy ride in there. What the heck? But from what I can tell, so my stems are, getting a little taller. That's probably 6-inch stem. Let's go over here, a couple passes over. Let's see, I think over here I was still pushing a little bit, not as normal speeds. I'd say this is more of the normal cutting speeds. My stems are definitely shorter by a couple inches. Interesting. Crazy how dewy that is. Kind of cool that it could do it though, with the moisture on it. Very crazy. Oh. There you have it. Yeah, this will be, I don't know what this is going to be. Part of this cutting, second cut, / making silage bales and making regular bales. This is going to turn into square bales, hopefully. We got a heat wave coming, almost 30 degrees Celsius, which should be plenty to dry this down by, what is today? Tuesday night. So we're hoping Saturday, Sunday we can bale this. So this is going to be finished tomorrow. And then, and then I got 28 acres of grass to cut. So some of it's 6 foot, some of it's 1 foot. We're gonna try it and see what it does. Oh, Josh was going over there. I was starting on my second headland lap on the swather here, but this bolt is stripped out that holds my, this bolt here is stripped out. So my PTO drive, focus. She don't stay. The PTO just slides off eventually and falls. So that sucks. Yeah, not ideal. This stuff is nice and thick still. Holy moly. There's some bales here. I think this is gonna be 4 bales an acre again. Josh is working on the small stuff there. Yeah, frustrating. I'm gonna go back to the truck and see if I can go find, it is 8 o'clock now, I'm gonna go find one of these bolts. Shoot, very annoying. Alrighty, hop in the truck. Let's go find this bolt at home quick. It's already 8:15 p.m. and I gotta work tomorrow. All finished for the night. Equipment parked. Ooh, you can hardly see. The light is not bright enough. Well, 1, 2, 10 acres knocked out in what? What time did we get out here? 8 something? So, hour and a half for you.
15? No, it was before that.
8 o'clock or so? 7? Was it 7 or 8?
Didn't we leave at 6:45 right after supper?
Oh, so maybe it was 7 something. So
7:15.
2 and a bit hours for you to knock out most of this. I did a lap and a bit, and then instead of getting stuck, I broke a bolt. So that's great.
That's better than getting stuck.
All right, this is not something you see every day. So we drove through the tall grass, because why not? And now my front drive shaft is a vegetable party. What the heck?
That's crazy.
Wow. All right, well, now we gotta clean her off. How the heck? Unreal. Man, 2 seconds.
You're barely in that. There she goes. That's a good deal. Came off nicely.
It's actually hilarious. There we go, all serviced up. Yours machine is good to go. My machine is good to go. All the tools for unplugging stay in the truck. All right, well.
I have the cutter here.
The cutter? No, I have one for myself too. No! Late! Just put it up over here. Holy moly, she is 9:25 p.m. Second day job is done for today. We finished the 15 acres of swampland. On the map it looks like a lake, but it's actually pretty nice grass. A little bit of thistle, a little bit of nettle on the one side over here. But we got her knocked down. We're taking one swather home tonight, and my brother Josh is gonna come back tomorrow with his truck and then take the swather I left here and cut 3 acres of, like, there's a little spot you can kind of get. We're gonna knock that down, and then in the hopes next year that'll be really nice. It'll be somewhat nice-ish now. There's some more like sedge grass or something I don't really love, but we're hoping that'll knock it out a bit more. So yeah, long day. Gotta get to 5 tomorrow. Let's do it.